guys, we are so excited to be talking today about our favorite honeymoon planning tips. Just to give you a little bit of background, we are Sarah and Alden from Vacay Mode Travels.
How are you?
We are certified travel advisors and certified destination wedding and honeymoon specialists. And today we are going to be sharing some of our favorite honeymoon planning tips with you.
Honeymoons sound simple to plan, but you only get one crack at it, so you got to get it right. And post-pandemic travel is as demanding now as it's ever been. So it's important to book early. That way you have your first preferences available to you.
We suggest booking 8 to 12 months in advance for your honeymoon. We want to make sure that you get that desired room category, location, all of your favorite preferences, and the best way to secure that is to do it ahead of time.
Tip number 2, deciding what each person wants to do. We work with a lot of couples who want different things on their honeymoon. You want to stay active on the trip, either hiking, parasailing, golf, whatever it might be, but your future spouse wants to find a cozy spot on the beach with a book and butler service. That's not impossible to plan.
That is something we specialize in. So we get to know the couple, what you're looking for, and we give you personalized recommendations that are going to give you both the experience you're looking for. It's your day, your way, your timeline. We're all used to the traditional honeymoon planning. We get done with the wedding, we pack our bags, we go to the airport, and we're off to our honeymoon. It's not like that anymore. Some people do mini moons where they plan a shorter honeymoon because they've taken extra time off for the wedding and wait a day or even a couple of days before leaving for their honeymoon. There's no right choice anymore. We do whatever is best for you and what works around your life.
All right. Tip number 4, again, getting into the specifics of what each person wants to do. Does the bride and groom want to do the same thing? Are they looking to do separate activities? Are they looking to go to different destinations? This is why you want to work with a travel advisor so we can best position you to make sure that you both get what you want to do. You may want to consider a split moon. That way both of you are happy.
Marriage is a lot of give and take, and it starts right on the honeymoon. Tip number 5. The hardest part of the honeymoon planning is not picking the destination or the date, surprisingly. It's setting the budget. Post-pandemic, there are few sales out there because the demand for travel is so high. So we can help the couple find what they're looking for and set realistic budgets.
6, make your honeymoon a memorable one. Whether it's a candlelight dinner, breakfast in bed, maybe an event on the beach, you want to make sure you take advantage of your time away.
And this is where working with an educated travel advisor really pays off big for you. Our agency in particular qualifies for extra upgrades, perks, and amenities that we are able to pass on to you at no additional cost, which means you get all of the fun and not the bill. Tip number 7, opt for a honeymoon registry in lieu of traditional gifts. Who needs another toaster oven, set of knives, plasticware? We got all that already. So if you opt for a honeymoon registry, this allows your family and friends to gift you parts of your honeymoon instead of all of those household items that a lot of us return anyways.
It can be great for honeymooners that are looking for YOLO moons. You only live once honeymoons. They're looking to elevate their experience on their time away.
Maybe they want to do an overwater bungalow in Bora Bora. They can put on their registry to do specific excursions or the flights or the accommodations, and family members can help them make that dream happen.
Consider going during a shoulder season or off-peak time. If you work with an advisor, we can best position you to a certain destination to make sure that you have great weather and take advantage of any cost that you might run into.
And an extra perk, you'll have fewer crowds.
Number 9, picking the right resort. The resort, hotel, or ship you pick for your honeymoon is one of the most important decisions you can have. Why? Because you're going to be spending most, if not all, of your time there. Atmosphere, amenities, food, these are all important things to think about. Keep in mind that the photos that you see on their webpage aren't exactly what it looks like when you get there. We'll help you navigate to the right property for your honeymoon.
Tip number 10, the planning is in the details. Does your room have a king bed? Is the beach swimmable? Does the cruise ship have your favorite liquor on board? All of these little things matter, and they help make for an unforgettable experience, which is what we always strive for.
Honeymooners, we hope you have found these 10 tips helpful for you. If you're considering a honeymoon, reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about that.
And always make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay notified on the most recent travel tips that we're giving out.